Hello. So, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk about again a new topic. That new topic is mm, that new topic is typedef. So let's see what is that typedef. Typedef it stands for type definition. So type definition it helps us to create our own type in our program. Uh, Mostly actually typedef it is used with the existing ones, and using that we can create our own. So that's called typedef. So how we write that? We write in this step first we write the typedef, then existing. Like if we want to create our own int type, then we have to put int here, then the float int, a new name here. Similarly, if we want to create floating data type, then float we have to put here, and our new name we have to put here. So this is how we use an example is here. So typedef, so here is int, here is s. So int it is an existing data type, this s it is our own data type. So now s it becomes integer because of this typedef. Similarly typedef is here, uh, float it is an existing, and gpa it is our own data type. So this is how we can create, and later on we can use gpa on the edge to assign the value, to go for input, to declare new variable, etc. Next, for the structure, we have to use typedef and structure. Tag is not needed there. When we use typedef, then what happens? This is run, which uses to be a variable. Now it becomes a structure, and just two variable. We have to use simply this name and the variable. Looks like this one. That's all. So typedef actually it customizes the variable declaration in that structure, means it becomes shorter, and integer float, uh, how we can create our one. So that was a typedef. Um, let's see an example of typedef so that it becomes clear for us how the typedef is used. If you are new to this channel, just you can go and join me. If you are you can share with your friends. Now just open an example. Typedef concept. Let's use typedef int my data type. Now this my data type it becomes an integer type. Let's declare a variable. So my underscore data type. Let's give a. Let's give b. Let's give a equals to 30 and b equals to 40. Let's print the sum. So printer the sum is so return 0. Let's save it. Concept. Let's send the extension here. Let's run the program. So here is the output. You can see 30 plus 40, we are getting 70. That's very simple. I hope you also got this type there. It's very simple to create our own type, which is here. Similarly, we can go for float. Similarly, we can go for char and the pointer and the structure and so on. Now let's see another example using the structure. So join me. You can share with your friends. And if you have any confusion, just use the chat box here. Now we are going to talk about here structure. So let's go for structure here. So whenever we talk about the structure union will be talking in next session here. So typedef it just shortens the variable declaration. We can give a customized name for the structure in union. It becomes more concise and it improves the readability. So here is a simple example here. So here is a structure without and here is the with. So what happens here? Here this person it becomes a structure and to declare a variable just we to put this name only, nothing more than. But in previous session we know that whenever we declare any variable we have to start from the structure keyword, and this structure keyword it helps us to declare a variable. But when we use typedef, then this structure keyword is not needed there, just we need to put this one and it becomes more manageable. So that's just very simple. Let's take an example to be more clear. So let's shape same file here, save as. Now uh, type def with structure. Type def with structure. So we're going to erase these all the parts. Let's make a structure here. So type def struct. Let's keep two members here. Now let's give a variable here. There. That's all. So in this case, what happens? This type def it assigns all the properties structure to this variable sim here. So it becomes now a structure. Without type def, it becomes a variable. When we use type def, then it becomes a structure. And using this one, simply what we can do there, we can create a variable. Let's create one v1 and v1 dot. So a equals to 34 and strcpy. So v1 dot name trinity. Let's print it. So printer a equals to d, name equals to s. So v1 dot a, v1 dot name. That's all. Nothing more we have to do here. Let's save it. Let's run the program. So here is the output using the type def. It's very simple. So this is the structure after using type def. This is our own structure. And use this structure we are creating a variable that is v1 So that is local to main. We cannot secure it outside. Then it becomes global. And after that, we are assigning this value. And so we are copying this value to this variable, and that's this member. And after that, we are just printing out here. It's very simple. Using structure. Similarly, we can also use input. So if we want to input, we can input in this way. Suppose we want to input, then let's set same file here. File savage. Type def with structure. Let's put input. Let's save it. Now let's go for the input. So nothing we have to do here. Let's delete this part. Let's give here int a. So we can d. So here is b1 dot a. So it's a int name slash n scanner. Yes, let's keep b1 dot. So we have finished inputting here. It's very simple. Let's save it. So we can declare variable here, or we can also declare outside. So here it's let's save it. Now it becomes global. Let's go for sorry, it becomes one. It is a. Okay, let's save it. Let's keep a. Now it's a profile. So name is here Shuni. So here is output 45 and send it. In this way, we can go for the input and we can go for the output. So it's very simple. I hope you also got the typedef. Similarly, typedef we can use with a pointer, and the pointer section will talk about the typedef again. If you have any confusion, then ask me. If not, fine. You can also share with your friends. Uh, about the programming and the learning. I hope you also this one. Now next topic, it can be union. So in union also we can use the typedef. It's very simple as it given here. So create custom type of the union. Union will be discussing tomorrow in tomorrow session. Then we'll talk about the uh, some programs union, and then pointer will jump to. So nothing more is here. So these are the mentioned here. Adding an alignment. No single size. Okay, thank you. About the self-referential structure, we'll talk in the pointer section. Again, I'll back to here and I'll discuss in detail what is reference structure, pointer, etc. Till then, take care. Goodbye. And if you like the video, if it helped you, then just hit the subscribe button, increase the subscriber, uh, share with your friends who wants to learn the programming. And if you have any special topic to discussion, then you can put in the chat box. Okay, thank you.